here, or Callie, and welcome back to my channel. If you want to find me on other places other than YouTube, be sure to follow me on Instagram because you can find behind the scenes things, the hooks, acquisitions that I get, yarn acquisitions before it even comes to this channel, okay? So follow me because it's great. It's a good thing to do, okay? Today, I will be crocheting a vest. I don't want to call it a sweater vest because, like, it's not a sweater, it's just a vest. It's gonna be kind of like this one that I have on. I showed you guys that in my previous videos, and I want to make another one, except I want to make it like a deeper V-neck type of thing without the collar, because this has a collar in the back, if you guys didn't know. I made a collar, and then of course I did these little thingies, whatever they're called. But I want to do a V-neck number, and I'm doing this because my sister Kahila, Crochet with K, she made a vest, and we all want to take sister pictures together, and so we're like, okay, fine, I guess we'll make vests as well. So Malika's making her vest, and I'm making my vest, and I was like, let me just show you guys the process of me making it, because even though it will be based kind of on this one, I am going to be winging it because I'm going to do like a V neck, and I don't know how that's going to turn out. I'm excited. Also, this is going to be a how much I'm going to crochet in a day, or I can crochet in a day. I crocheted for 24 hours before. I think I crocheted for an hour, how much I crochet in an hour, but I haven't done how much can I crochet in a day. So I think this will be cool to see, since I will dedicate crocheting. I will dedicate like this day to crocheting all day so I can see. And then tomorrow at this time, what's today? It is 12:17 right now. So tomorrow by 12-ish, I will come back and show you guys what I have done completely. I'm not staying up for 24 hours. I'm just, you know, that will be a full day. Anyway, let me show you the yarn I'll be using. Can you guess? I mean, just go ahead and guess. Yes, it is 24/7 cotton by LionBrand. Of course, that is my go-to yarn. It might not be my go-to yarn in the future, but you know, it's always a yarn. It's the yarn that I will always use. It is pink. It is the pink color, and I'll be using that. Hopefully I have enough. I think I only have like 3 skeins of this left, so yeah, good luck. And then I will be using white. I will be making this striped because, hello, stripes are just, stripes never go, oh, I'm trying to show you this. Stripes never go out of style, okay? We love stripes around here. So that's what I'll be making. That is the yarn I'll be using, and the hook I'll be using today will be my Supernova hook by Furls. It is a size 4mm hook. And I'm excited to crochet this because I'll be crocheting all day, and I love crocheting. I will come back and like give you guys updates on what I'm doing, how it's turning out, if I'm liking it or not. I don't even know how I'm gonna do my stripes. Like, am I gonna do 3 white, 1 pink? The ribbing, what will the ribbing be? Maybe the ribbing should be pink. I think the ribbing should be pink. And I think this should be like a mostly white one. Like, the pink will be accents. I think that's how I want it. Okay, let's get to crocheting. Hey, it is like, let me get my phone. It is 8:20 and I actually got a lot done. Let me show you what I got done. I have literally a whole front panel finished. Like, what? Already? Yes. This is... I was just experimenting, okay? I don't even know how this is gonna turn out for real. Because, like, this is the front. I guess the back will... I don't know. I don't know. Because I didn't make it like the one I'm wearing. So we'll see how this turns out. I'm gonna make the back panel. I'm gonna do it exactly like how I did this back panel. Because the back panel doesn't need, like, V-neck decreases, it just needs decreases in the back. So I'm gonna start on that. I'm gonna go watch SWAT with my sisters, but I'm going to be crocheting as well. So tomorrow at 12 p.m., which is when it will be officially one day, I will show you guys what I have finished totally. Hopefully I finish this entire thing. That will be amazing because that will put me way ahead of schedule for next week's videos, because I'm filming for next week, and oh my gosh, I'm excited. It is currently 10 a.m., 10:06 to be exact, a.m., and that means I have around 2 hours to complete my challenge. How much can I crochet in a day? So I have one panel finished for my top, and then I have the ribbing done for the back panel of that top. And I'm starting on, I finished the ribbing, so I'm starting on the actual panel. And so I'm gonna see how much I can get done of this in 2 hours. I'm hoping to finish this today. Like, I probably won't finish it in this video, but I will definitely finish it today because I need to start working on another project that I have to film for next week. For next week's video, which, no, in 2 weeks' time video. So I just like to be ahead, okay? I have learned how to be ahead in scheduling videos and everything. My sister taught me. I learned vicariously. She doesn't know she taught me, but she did, Kahila. And so now I'm just so excited. I feel less like, oh my gosh, what am I gonna film? What am I gonna post? Like, I already know. I have my calendar up and everything, and it's just great. So I'm going to continue doing this. We'll see how much I get done total. Because my sister is recording her podcast in the other room, and I guess this is like a change because apparently I yell at my camera all the time. Anyway, it is 12:19. As you can see, I tried to get the like one day, like down to like the minute, because I think I showed you guys the time at like 12:17 yesterday, but I finished this at 12:16. So here is the back panel, all finished. And so total, what I got done for how much can I crochet in a day was literally a whole front panel, a whole back panel. So all I need to do is slip stitch this together and I'll be done. I'm so freaking happy. I haven't even woven in the ends yet, even though there are only 2 ends, but I'm so happy because this was a spur of the moment project that my sister Kahila, who's recording our podcast right now, wanted all of us to do. And I was just like, okay, I do not have the time to do this. Like, I gotta do this, I gotta do that, I gotta film this, I gotta film that. And I was just like, okay, fine, I'll do it. And I was like, wait, I can just turn this into a video, because whenever I record stuff, it literally makes me crochet faster. As you can see, I literally completed a whole thing. I mean, the panels, but it's finished. I just need to slip stitch it together, maybe add some ribbing and stuff around the armpits or the neckline. But I finished it, so I was happy. I got so much done. Like, going into this, I didn't even think I would finish like ribbing. So the fact that I got both panels done makes me so happy. Let me know if what you guys can crochet in one day. Like, I don't mean just one day, like, oh, on Wednesday, because that's not a day. No, Wednesday to Thursday, that's one day, you know? So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what else you guys want to see me do. Like, I'm doing vlogs and everything. I love doing vlogs. Like, let me know what you want to see in those vlogs. Let me know what kind of tutorials you want me to do. I'm trying not to do tutorials that much because they're boring to me. I don't care to film tutorials and just like I want to talk to the camera. I want the camera to see me. Maybe I'll do tutorials like a different way instead of the conventional way, because that's just boring to watch unless you are actually making it, and it's boring to film. It's not boring to film because I love teaching. It's just, I don't know, it's just not as fun as filming these, you know? Anyway, that's so off topic. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to follow me on Instagram so you can see all the behind the scenes of everything that I do, repost stuff, see stuff that I repost. But if you guys want me to repost your creations, definitely send me yours, and I'll see you guys next time with another video. Bye.